Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about cloud pods. By default, LocalStack is an ephemeral environment. That means once you terminate your LocalStack instance, all the state will be discarded. Cloud pods are a mechanism that allows you to take a snapshot of the current state of your LocalStack instance and easily share it with your team members. So let's quickly jump into the demo and see how we can leverage this feature. Now let's go to Cloud Pods on web app. My team has already created and shared across a few Cloud Pods as you can see here. To create a pod, a user needs to save the same on their terminal using localstack pod save Cloud Pod name while the local stack is running. Cloud pods are securely stored within an AWS storage backend where each user or organization is allocated a dedicated and isolated S3 bucket. The LocalStack Cloud Pod CLI utilizes secure S3 pre-signed URLs to directly interface with the S3 bucket, bypassing the need to transmit the state files through LocalStack platform APIs. Now, for the purpose of demo, we have created an easy-to-follow quick start guide, which you can access at app.localstack.cloud/quickstart. So here you would find the demo application we've been using till now. Now let us imagine a real world scenario where different teams work together to implement this application. So a platform team would be responsible to deploy the infrastructure while front-end team would be responsible to develop the front-end application. In this scenario, platform teams would prepare a cloud pod with the infrastructure for the front-end team, which would then only need to take care of the front-end application deployed via S3. Now let's load the pod in our LocalStack instance. So we are going to load infrastructure cloud pod by localstack pod load ECS API gateway infra. And then we will load front-end cloud pod by localstack pod load ECS API gateway FE. So as you can see now, we get some bash commands that can help us get the final URL of the application. We are using AWS Local to hit the different AWS services to build our application URL. You can copy and you can paste the commands in the terminal. Now let's just open the URL in our browser. So here we can see the similar output as the first video. Now let's go back and let's discuss that what if the QA team is there and they are responsible to prepare some test data. Therefore, it could prepare a cloud pod containing some test data for the DynamoDB tables used by containerized services. Now, we can also seed the application with seed data. We will load a DynamoDB pod to load the seed data. So now let's go to resource browser and check if we have the data. So let's open DynamoDB. Awesome. So we can see the seed data over here. So with this, we have reached the end of the module. We have learned how to develop and deploy cloud applications using Terraform, CloudFormation, and then GitHub Action. Also, we have learned about cloud pods and IAM policy stream. I hope you enjoyed the module. If you have any question, please join our community Slack.